Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can change Discord email without old email access. So first is you just have to visit support.discord.com, and then from here we have to submit a request. So first is just tap on help and support, and then from here you have to put here your new email that you have access on. So don't put your old email here, you have to put the new email. Then after that, just put here the account verification and credentials. Then after is the email verification, and then forgot email. So continue with the subject, which is the account recovery. And then the description is you can just copy this one, or you can also type in your personal concern. So here I no longer have access to my old email linked to my Discord account, and I'm unable to log in. So I would like to update the email on my account. So my username is, you just have to put your username here, and then please help me recover access. So you can also attach here some screenshots of your Discord and just continue by clicking on submit. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!